I'm not a trained keyboard cleaner. I'll probably mention that, so you're simply following me along of my attempt. Don't try this at home. This could have been the last day my keyboard was working. What's up, guys? I'm back home. I'm sitting with young Fonz. I'm kind of out of the house the whole day today. I decided, though, I'm going to clean my keyboard. Stay here, Fonzie. It's okay, buddy. No, it's okay. Fonzie sees another dog and he's crying. It's okay. Don't cry. It's okay, boy. Yeah, it can be weird sometimes. I don't know what it is. It happens. I'm going to just chill outside with Fonzie and Luca for a little bit, and then I'm going to clean my keyboard. Let's go. Before we start anything, we have to feed Fonzie. And what we have here is a chicken and liver recipe meat puree with a little bit of cucumber. Fonzie, how's it looking? Is it looking good? This is Fonzie's fork, by the way. He's the only one that uses this fork, and this is the only fork that we use. Food's all done. The only thing left to do is to clean this keyboard, so let's figure this out. Here we have my keyboard dirty for hopefully the last time. Okay, that's wishful thinking, but here's my keyboard. It's a HyperX, I think Aloe Origins. Let's clean this bad boy. I think this is all I need. Obviously, my keyboard with all my keys on it. Some compressed air, I may need more. Toothbrush to scrub it once it's done. And some lukewarm, soapy water. Let's just start with the escape key. Insides are a little greasy, I can't lie. Splash. Make sure you take a picture before you start. The amount of hair, that's so gross. That's all for me. I have no one to blame but myself. So I got a chopstick. This is not the Elder Wand. It is just a chopstick. I don't know if this is the best thing to pop them out with, but we'll see. This helps a lot. Use the Elder Wand, it helps. Okay, next. We're just gonna wash these in here. My hands, I guess. I'm just gonna let this sit for however long it takes for me to blow out all the hair and crap in the keyboard. I don't know if you guys can see. It is very dirty. It's full of hair everywhere. And dusty. But yeah, I'm gonna use compressed air to blow this out outside. And then I'm gonna just scrub it with this toothbrush. Nope, I'm talking to myself. When you start making videos on YouTube, people just think you're crazy or you're talking to them. Oh my god, there's so much hair. Okay, let's get cleaning this thing. Camo in the back. If you hear explosions, it's Victoria Day weekend in Canada, so they're not explosions, they're fireworks, so don't be alarmed, I'm okay. Might be kind of hard to see, but PJ pants and a white shirt, baby. I'm comfy. Oh yeah, she's fine. Oh crap. That was a lot. Looks like most of the hair is gone, so I'm gonna bring this inside and we're just gonna start scrubbing it with a toothbrush. Okay, let's do that. So as I was cleaning out the keyboard with compressed air, I realized there was some stuff in here. I was gonna try to take it off, but I can't find a small enough screwdriver, so I'm just gonna scrub it. If you guys can, maybe take off the top so you can clean under it. I'm gonna add a little bit more soap to my water. And I'm just gonna start scrubbing. I'm not a trained keyboard cleaner. I probably mentioned that, so you're simply following me along of my attempt. Don't try this at home. Still a little bit of hair, but I think I got pretty much everything out. I'm gonna get some regular water. I'm gonna pat it down first, and then just do it again. Okay, let me go get just regular water real quick. I just finished like scrubbing it with water. I have a feeling this is gonna take longer to fully dry. I'm gonna leave it for 20 minutes while I just rinse these and just inspect each one, make sure they're clean. Until then, I'm just gonna put this on its backside and just let it dry. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to wait like at least a day just to let it dry. So let's get those keys and let's rinse them off. Let's go. So I just finished rinsing all the keycaps. Came back, my keyboard's still pretty wet. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to wait like a day. Just let it air dry until it looks good and just hope for the best here. This could have been the last day my keyboard was working. I just put these all upside down, just in the towel. Just let it air dry for tomorrow. Same with my keyboard, and yeah. This is maybe gonna be a 2-part series, or the second part's just gonna be in the video tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully I didn't break my keyboard. We'll find out tomorrow or the next day.